Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how you can lock screen on your Mac with a shortcut. So if you ever need to step away from your Mac for a moment and you don't want anyone touching your stuff, the fastest thing what you can do is actually use shortcut. So let me show you how you can set up this shortcut. And the first thing what we have to do, we want to open Automator. So I'm gonna open a Spotlight search. So I pressed Command plus space and you want to search Automator. All right, and in the Automator, we want to create a new quick action. Click on Choose, and here we should find screen. Sorry, start screensaver. So simply search for start or screen or something like that, and this is the thing we are looking for. So I'm gonna drag it into the actions. Now you can test it. So if I click on run, it should lock screen. And yes, it's working. So you have to enter like password in order to get to computer because it's locked. And now once we have this, we can add shortcut to this. So now if I click on file, we want to save this. I'm gonna save it, for example, as test for the video. All right, so it's called test for the video. And now once we have this automator done, we can move to our keyboard settings. So find system settings. And here we want to look for keyboard. It should be at the bottom. And here simply click on keyboard shortcuts. And here we should find services on the left side. Then it should be in the general. So as you can see, we have test for the video and the shortcut is none because we didn't add a shortcut yet. So now if you click on this, so for example, I can set it to Shift Command E. All right, so Shift Command E, I'm gonna click on the done. Now if I press Shift Command E, it locked my screen. So I need to again like enter my password. And now I entered the password and now you can see again I am in my MacBook. So this is how you can lock screen on your Mac with keyboard shortcut. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.